Hello everyone, this is Shakil from Daily Graphics. Today we'll make a tech logo. We are a designer, problem solutioner. So let's jump into it. First of all, we need a polygon tool and make a triangular. First, you doesn't find this kind of shape. You will find a polygon shape. Then you take a polygon shape and then you will right click of your mouse and then you will up and down arrow key and you will find a various kind of shape like this and make a triangular form of this. Let's delete it. Now we find our triangular tool. Then we need a pen tool and straight line like this and make it like a stroke color and color like is black. Now we will going to bigger the stroke color of it and I make it 6 pt. Then we need Ctrl C Ctrl F and then we will create a copy of it and we will side up like this. Then we will go to expand and fill with this and then we will go to expand that and we will minus this kind of thing. Then we find like this. Click direct selection tool and do what I am do it now. Oh sorry, I little bit something wrong. Do it right that. Then go to transform and reflect it horizontally and click OK. Oh sorry, I mistake it. Another things. Transform horizontal and click copy. Oh, I make several types of copy, then delete it. Okay, do like that. Oh, I make several type. Okay, let's delete. Now that's another one. Delete. Now we make a logo. Small it. Then now we make a logo. Then we choose two color. One is green and another one is dark blue. Now this is our logo sheet. Then text. The text is tech box. The client give me that name. So I decide that the text will be thicker and the box will be a little bit boldy. And one thing I use here sans serif font. You will find in family outside in internet. So install it and box is a small capital letter and text will be text letter will be bigger capital. So now make it green. Text make green and box color will be dark blue. So we make this logo. You can use it. And now we are going to align to artboard. Now complete our logo. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel.